Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can import Wix to Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open a new tab and then type cart to cart and then hit enter. Once you do that, go ahead and click on the first link and then just wait for it to load. And once you're here, go ahead and choose Wix. And then in the second box, go ahead and choose Shopify to migrate Wix to Shopify. So right now you need to sign in. Just add your email and then check this box and click on try for free. Once you're logged in, you're going to be right here. So right now I'm going to click on edit migration. And after that, go to source cards and search for Wix here in this list. So it should be here in the bottom. Go ahead and click on it. And then here, you need to add your source store URL. So just paste the URL right here. Then you can also add the API token for your Wix store. If you want to have it, just go to your Wix account settings and then go to API keys. Then click on generate API keys and go back to the site. Go ahead and paste the API key. And then here, make sure you choose Shopify. Go to target store URL and paste your store URL right here. And then go ahead and continue to the next step. Then you're going to be able to migrate your Wix store to your Shopify store. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.